everybody, thank you for all who are tuning in. I have something special for you today. So I split 10 wicks into 25 locks. So basically in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. I essentially just found where the locks were combined and cut along the ridges that were in the middle of his hair. Had to cut a little bit at the end off first to see where the hair was connected. And I just carefully pull the hair apart and cut whatever hair I need to. This is not recommended unless you are a professional. Do not try this at home without a professional, okay? This is just showing you guys how I did it. So proceed at your own risk. It looks like I'm tugging a little hard. I am using quite a bit of force here. However, the closer to the top I get, the more slowly I actually move. And like, see for example right there, that looked like it probably would have hurt the client, but he was actually pretty comfortable throughout the entire service. This took a total of 4, maybe 3.5 hours. So not bad. One important thing to remember is not to cut into the locks if you can avoid it. I'm pulling the hair from the bottom to the top and trimming just the little hairs that get stuck in between that are really hard to pull apart. That's what I'm cutting. I'm using this rubber band as a placeholder to know that that's a separate section. In this step, I will be combining the locks all the way down. They're already split apart, so all I have to do is distress it a little bit more and go back over it with my 0.5 millimeter crochet hook. The link to that will be found on my storefront in my bio. As a matter of fact, every tool that I have, every product that I use is listed on my storefront page. So if you click the link, you'll be able to see my entire toolkit. The last thing I have to do is the retwist, and then he'll sit under the dryer and he'll be finished. Stay tuned for the final result.